In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove permissions from PowerPoint. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your presentation access effectively. Let's get started with the first step. First, open your presentation. You can do this by launching PowerPoint and selecting the file you want to work with. Once the presentation is open, you'll see all your slides displayed clearly on the screen. This is crucial because you need to have the correct file open to make any changes. Take a moment to ensure you have the right presentation in front of you. You'll be ready to modify permissions shortly. Next, click the File tab. You can find this tab in the upper left corner of the PowerPoint window. By clicking on it, you will access a menu that allows you to manage various settings for your presentation. This step is important because it leads you to the options needed to change the permissions. Once you click the File tab, you will notice a range of options that can help you control your document's security. From there, choose Info from the left sidebar. This option is usually the first on the list and provides access to information about your presentation. When you select Info, you will see details about the file, including properties and permissions. This section is vital because it centralizes all the security settings you need. After selecting Info, look for more options that will help you secure your presentation further. Now, click the Protect Presentation button. This button may be represented by a shield icon, and it allows you to set various protection methods for your presentation. When you click this button, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. This action is a critical step in your process as it will enable you to modify how you wish to protect your document. You should see several options that will guide you through the permission settings. Next, select Encrypt with Password. This option will prompt a new dialog box that allows you to set or modify a password for your presentation. By choosing this, you are indicating that you want to enhance the security of your file. This is important because it helps restrict access to your presentation, ensuring that only authorized users can view or edit it. You are now one step closer to removing any existing permissions. A box will appear filled with hidden password dots. Delete all the dots to leave the field completely blank. This action effectively removes the existing password that protects your presentation. It's crucial to ensure the field is empty, as this means that no password will be required to open or edit the file in the future. Once you complete this step, you can feel confident that your document will no longer have any password restrictions. Click OK to confirm your changes. This is the moment where you finalize the removal of the password. After clicking OK, you will be returned to the Protect Presentation menu. You should see a confirmation that your settings have been updated. This step is essential because it ensures that your changes are saved properly, giving you peace of mind. Finally, save the presentation to permanently strip the password requirement. Head back to the File tab and choose Save or Save As. This step is significant because it solidifies all the changes you've made and ensures that the presentation is now accessible without a password. Once saved, you can close the document, knowing that the permissions have been adjusted as you intended. Following these steps will enable you to manage your PowerPoint presentation permissions effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.